So the video quality is not going to be the best because it's late here and we're trying to finalize these last things here with getting the sound equipment set up. Right now we're walking up to the trailer and just wanted you guys to see how amazing this is. I bet you the kids will probably stop singing when they come around the corner here, but look at what God has done here. As you can see, it's the sound equipment that God has provided. Everything here, it's unbelievable. Yeah, so we'll be ready to do worship, share the gospel, and as you can see, still a lot of work for us to do. We have Bibles, Now That You're Saved, and a lot of other things that God has provided, but truly incredible. You look at the drums are all set up. Those are amazing speakers, and just praise God. So I wanted to give you guys an update. It's super quick. God willing, we'll be leaving Saturday. The kids have like this funny song that they've been playing. But thank you to all of you that prayed with us, partnered with us. It's incredible. This will soon be on the road Saturday, God willing. We were going to leave Friday, but we have too many things to do. And Saturday, God willing, we will be on the road to Louisiana, and we'll be part of a revival event down there. We'll be able to use the equipment to share the gospel, then going out into the local communities. So you can hear Payton back there and some of our friends that we're playing with, and couldn't do this without the help of my dear friends that helped us get this equipment sound up, all set up. So thank you all, and we will hopefully put out a quick prayer request when we leave, and as you can see, we will have this. Here's the generators running. There's the truck. Can't see it very well right now. That God provided, and that wonderful gentleman let us have and sowed into our ministry, and just incredible. It's coming together. We need your prayers, so we love you guys, and God willing, we will look forward to an exciting update the following weekend with souls and souls and souls. All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.